Make money with blogging. Can also be a lucrative way to generate income. Here are some ways to make money through blogging. Affiliate marketing. One way to make money through blogging is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services on your blog and earning a commission for any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs in your niche and promote products that you believe in and that will be of value to your readers. Sponsored posts. Another way to make money through blogging is by accepting sponsored posts. This involves writing a post about a company or product and being paid for it. However, it's important to disclose any sponsored posts to your readers to maintain transparency. Advertising. Advertising is a common way to generate income from a blog. You can display ads on your blog through platforms such as Google Adsense and earn money for every click or impression. However, it's important to strike a balance between the ads and your content to avoid overwhelming your readers. Product reviews. You can also earn money by writing product reviews. Companies may pay you to write a review about their product or service. However, it's important to maintain your integrity and only write honest reviews. Ebooks and courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create ebooks and courses to sell on your blog. This can be a great way to monetize your knowledge and expertise. Consulting services. As your blog grows and you establish yourself as an authority in your niche, you can offer consulting services to your readers. This can include services such as coaching, training, and other personalized services. Public speaking. If you are comfortable speaking in front of an audience, you can use your blog as a platform to book speaking engagements. This can be a great way to increase your exposure and generate additional income. Donations. Some bloggers may choose to accept donations from their readers. This can be done through platforms such as PayPal or Patreon and can provide an additional source of income for your blog. Membership sites. You can also create a membership site for your readers, offering exclusive content, resources, and other perks for a monthly or yearly fee. Freelance writing. As a blogger, you may also be able to generate income through freelance writing opportunities. You can pitch your services to other blogs and websites, offering to write articles or other content in exchange for payment. In conclusion, there are many ways to generate income through blogging. By using a combination of the methods above, you can create a profitable blog that allows you to share your expertise, connect with others, and earn money in the process. However, it's important to remember that blogging takes time and effort, and success won't happen overnight. By consistently producing high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different monetization strategies, you can build a successful blog and generate income for years to come.